Paper first, chapter number 3, current electricity. Next period you will learn free electrons, resistivity and electric circuit. Today we study system of resistance of effective 60. A resistance is a two-ended component having given amount of resistance between its two ends. In several electric devices, a number of resistors are connected together in different ways. Ohm's law is applicable to all such connecting resistors. The first is a resistor of series. Look at this figure. This figure R1, R2, R3 is a three resistor. The end of three resistors are connected, so they flow one after another single lines. This resistance is said to connected in series. In such arrangement, each resistance, the value of the current I is the potential difference between C and D in voltage V. The three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in series in this circuit. Let the voltage across them by V1, V2 and V3 respectively. Therefore, V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 in equation number 1. If S for the series of the resistor is the effective resistance between C and D, then according to the Ohm's law, V equal to IRS. V is the voltage. V1 equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Substitute in value in equation number 1. V equal to IRS equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. R is resistance of series equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In N is the resistance are connected in this series, then R is resistance of series equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 dash plus Rn equal to resistor R1, R2, R3 dash plus Rn. If resistors are connected in series, the first is if the same current flow through each resistor. Second, the effective resistance of the resistor is equal to the sum of their individual resistance. Third, the effective resistance is larger than each of the individual resistance. And four is this arrangement is used to increase the resistance in a circuit. This is the resistance of series. Resistance in parallel. रोधांची समांतर जोडणी. Look at this figure. The three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel between point C and D. V is a potential difference between C and D. Resistors are said to be connected in parallel when their ends are connected at both sides. Let I1, I2 and I3 with the current flowing through resistance R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Then the total current flow through the circuit is I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 in equation 1. Let Rp, P for the parallel resistance of the parallel, be the effective resistance between C and D according to the Ohm's law. I equal to V upon Rp. Similarly, I1 equal to V upon R1, comma I2 equal to V upon R2, comma I3 equal to V upon R3. Substituting this value in equation 1, V upon Rp equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. Therefore, 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. If N is the resistance are connected in the parallel, therefore 1 upon Rp resistance of parallel equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus dash 1 upon Rn. This is the resistance in parallel. If any one of the several bulbs connected in a parallel series become non-functional because of some damage to its filament, the circuit does not break as current flow through the other path and the rest of the bulb light up. When several bulbs are connected in parallel, they emit the same amount of light as when they are connected individually in this circuit, while bulbs connected in series emit less light than when connected individually. Resistance of 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 10 ohm are connected in parallel. What is the effective resistance in the circuit? Given the three resistors R1 equal to 15 ohm, R2 equal to 20 ohm, R3 equal to 10 ohm. The resistors are connected in parallel. 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. 1 upon Rp, resistance of parallel, 1 upon R1 is a 50 plus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 10. The denominator of the same is a 16. 15 3 are 16, 20 3 are 16, 10 6 are 16. Plus 3 plus 6 equal to 13 upon 16 upon Rp. The resistance of parallel equal to 16 upon 13. 16 upon 30 is divided 4.615 ohm. The effective resistance of the circuit. The effective resistance in the circuit is the effective resistance in the circuit is 4.16 4.615 ohm. Less than the least of the three 10 ohm. Domestic electrical connection. घरगुती विद्युत जोडणी. The electricity in your home is brought through the main conductive cable, either from the electric pole or from underground cables. There are three wires in the cables. One is called low wire, म्हणजे वीजयुक्त, which bring in a current. It has red or brown. The first wire is a red or brown insulator. The other wire is called neutral. Neutral means tatastha, wire through which current return. It is a blue or black. In the India voltage, difference between the low and neutral wire is about 220 volt. Both these wires are connected to the electric meter through the fuse. The main switch, they are connected or conducting wire inside the home so as to provide the electricity every room. In each separated circuit in various electric applications connected between the low and neutral wires. The third wire is called earth wire, is yellow or green color. This is connected to a metal plate buried deep underground near the house and the safety of the proposes. The next point is a fuse of wire. Fuse wire is used to protect domestic appliances. It is made of mixture of substance and have specific melting point. It is connected in series to electric application. If some reason of current in circuit increase excessively, the fuse wire get heated of the metal. The fuse is a Cartridge fuse and ceramic fuse. For domestic use, fuse wire with upper limit of 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A and 10A are used.